In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code calendar in Notion. If your calendar feels like a wall of identical blocks, color coding will help you scan your schedule faster and spot priorities at a glance. Let's set it up together. Start by opening your Notion workspace and heading to the calendar you want to color code. This can be your main calendar or one tied to a specific project. Make sure you're actually in the calendar view so the controls we need are visible. In the upper right corner of the calendar, click the View Options icon. It looks like a set of stacked sliders or switches. From the menu that opens, choose Edit Properties. Think of this area as the control center for how your calendar items are organized and displayed. If you don't already have a property you plan to color by, click New Property. You'll be prompted to pick a type. Choose Select if each event should fit into just one category, like a single status. Choose Multi-Select if events can belong to more than one category, such as both work and urgent. Picking the right type now will make your labels consistent and easier to use later. Give the new property a clear name, such as category or status. Clarity here helps everyone understand what the property represents, especially if you share the calendar with others. Now add your options by typing labels that match your workflow. You might use meeting, urgent, personal, or work. Keep your list focused and consistent, and use the same capitalization style so everything looks tidy. Assign a color to each option, click on each label, and choose a distinct color, aiming for contrast so items don't blend together. If you have many options, avoid colors that are too similar, and consider accessibility by picking hues that are easy to tell apart. When you're done, close the Properties menu. Next, open the calendar view settings again and look for the conditional color option. Click New Color Settings to turn on color coding for this view. Select the property you just created, like category or status. This tells Notion to apply your chosen colors automatically based on each item's value. Now begin assigning categories or statuses to your calendar entries. As soon as you do, you'll see colors appear across your calendar, making patterns and priorities stand out instantly. Take a moment to review the color-coded layout. If something feels off, you can always revisit the property to rename options or tweak colors until the visuals match your needs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.